Welcome to today's tutorial.
We're crafting a dreamy, soft glam photo edit that blends delicate light, gentle blurs, and refined highlight control. It's perfect for beauty shots, fashion images, or aesthetic edits.
Duplicate your layer first.
Go to Filter Gaussian Blur and apply enough blur to soften the overall image without losing shape. Change the blending mode to soft light or overlay and reduce the opacity. This creates a smooth, glowing halo effect. Next, add a new layer and use a large soft brush set to white. Lightly paint around bright areas such as the forehead, cheekbones, and edges of hair. Switch the layer to screen mode and drop the opacity to make the light feel natural instead of artificial. Now let's enhance